Have you ever had an app idea that sounded amazing in your head but immediately you thought that I don't know how to code? So see, for years building apps was locked in behind technical skills, big budgets and developers. But now in 2026 this barrier is basically gone. We are now in the era of vibe coding, so where you don't need to write any code. You just explain your idea in simple plain English and AI builds the app for you. In this video, I'll show you how you can go from an app idea to a working app experience. So before we building, let's talk about the idea. Because in 2026, technology is no longer the hardest part, the idea is. And the best app ideas don't come from the brainstorming sessions, they come from real life. From moments where you think that there has to be a better way to do this. Let me walk you through a real example. Imagine you are traveling, you are on a cruise visiting different cities. One thing becomes very obvious very quickly. Cruise companies don't make their real money from their ticket, they make money from upsells, guided tours, shore excursions and premium experiences. And these excursions can cost hundreds of dollars per day. And most of the time you are paying for a tour guide, a driver, a fixed schedule. So the question is, what if you could be your own tour guide? What if there was an app that could use your phone's camera, recognize landmarks or places you are looking at and instantly explain what you are seeing. On top of that, what if it could create a custom travel itinerary based on your city, time and interest? An AI-powered travel companion that helps people explore different cities independently and save a lot of money. That's the idea. So in vibe coding, the most important skill isn't coding, it's communicating clearly. Everything starts with a prompt. You can write the prompt yourself or you can use AI to help you write a more detailed one. And that's what I did. I explained what the app should do, how users should interact with it, what features it should include, camera scanning, photos uploads, AI generated itineraries. Once the prompt was ready, I simply copied it and pasted into Lovable. And as soon as I hit enter, the app started generating in real time, you can see. And this is the part that feels still wild in 2026. You are literally watching screens appear, layouts form, features come together and you didn't write any code. And if something doesn't work, you don't debug, you just explain in normal English and AI itself fixed the problem. So for example, a feature wasn't working, a tab needed to be added, a field needed to be removed. So I typed things like fix the image recognition or add a itenerary tab or remove unnecessary inputs. The AI handled it and this back and forth continues until the app works exactly how you want. So that's iteration without the technical friction is literally insane. You can also add user login and logout, authentication, a backend database. So when users sign up, their data is stored automatically. This makes these apps incredibly powerful for creators, startups and businesses. A free app becomes a lead magnet and software is far more valuable than a PDF or ebook. Let's say user uploads a photo of a landmark, the AI analyzes the image and explains what the place is, its history, interesting facts. It can also generate an audio tour. So instead of staring at your phone, you just listen while walking around. So it's like having a personal tour guide in your pocket. So think about this. In 2026, you can go from an app idea to MVP to real users in less than an hour. A few years ago, this would have taken a lot of time, lot of months and cost thousands of dollars. But now it's accessible to anyone everywhere. And remember, your app doesn't need to use AI itself. Lovable is just the tool that helps you build faster. If you ever thought that I wish I could build an app like this, so now you can. Look at your daily life, look at your inefficiencies. That's where great ideas live. So vibe coding basically removes the biggest excuse that people had. You don't need permission, you just need an idea. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you liked it. If you did, just hit that like button and make sure you subscribe my channel for more such videos.